Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. For my dear guys, for my dear audience. In this video, I will prescribe how to make small garden design or small garden different beautiful locations. So, my dear guys, garden design is the art and process of designing and creating plans for layout and planting of garden and landscapes. So, some my dog guys question me that how do you make a small garden or how to create a garden design or what is a conceptual program of garden design or what is the basic pattern in garden design. My dog guys, uh, look for compact plants, think outside the box, build a strong foliage framework, make every square inch count. It is a design tips. So, create privacy and do you really need a lawn? Yes. Choose outdoor furniture with care and add a water feature. So, my dear guys, how to create a garden design? First of all, my dear guys, think about what you want and choose a location for your garden. Determine the size and shape of your border. Mark and measure the garden and look for plants adapted to your growing conditions. And from the list of suitable plants, make selection according to the basic principle of flower garden design. So, what is the basic concept of garden design? Garden design is the art and process of designing and creating plans for layout and planting of gardens and landscapes. Garden design may be done by the garden owner themselves or by professional. My dear guys, offer varying level of experience and expertise. So, what is a basic pattern in garden design? Grid lines drawn and 45 degrees can be used as a guideline to design the garden. And rectangular themes are the most popular and widely used. So, they are adapted to give a formal look to the garden. My dear guys, long or narrow garden can be easily divided into even or different, my dear guys, sections using this particular theme. So, how to design a mini garden? My dear guys, first of all, choose your locations and make your plant selection and fill your chosen pots with the appropriate potting soil mix for your plant and dig small holes and plant the plant for fairy gardens. Decorate the garden with mini pathways and fences, cottages, preserved moss or items of your choice. So, how to make a nice garden? Add flowers or flowering plants, control weeds, group plants around a theme, add some garden art, use colorful pots of for feature container, use multifunctional edible herbs and flowers, create unity and diversity and choose a feature. So 10 principle of garden design. My dear guys, much beautiful element principles of landscape design for making a small garden design. Lines play, first of all, line play a pivotal role when designing the garden, offering boundless opportunities to shape landscapes and direct movement. So form and shape is a second principle of landscape design, a small garden design, or beautiful garden design. So mass and weight also, and different colors of different flowers, different texture also use. So balance, proportion, and scale. Balance, proportion, and scale are also element and principle of a small garden and rhythm and echoes and a focal point also. So how do you make a beautiful garden, a small beautiful garden? Add some flowering plants or flowers. Basically, I prescribe in my video special small garden for decorating purpose. It may be a front yard of our house or backyard or landscaping ideas. So control the weeds and grow plants together and uh, add garden art. Uh, Basically, my dear guys, have fun with pots. Use edible flowers and herbs and create diversity and unity and have a feature. So how to draw garden plans? Make a rough sketch first and use it to log all your measurement. Then transfer them onto paper to make a precise scale plan. If you have an established garden with lots of plant structures that make access to the boundary tricky, you might find it helpful to look online at an overhead view. So, how to draw a simple garden, or what is the most simple design pattern of your garden? A singleton pattern is probably the most widely used design pattern. It is a simple pattern, easy to understand and to use. Sometimes it is used in excess and in scenarios where it is not required. In such cases, the some disadvantage of using it outweigh the advantage it brings. And how do you some basic step which is in landscape design process? First of all, conducting a site inventory and analysis, and in secondly, determining your needs and creating functional diagram, developing conceptual design plans, and drawing a final design plan. So, how make a little garden for decorating purpose? Start by drawing a rough sketch of how you want your garden to look. Fill your container with compost or soil to create a base for your garden and build your pathway and any solid building first. Then add in your smaller decorations. Leave anything that delicate until last so it does not get covered in soil. So how do you make a plan for a small garden? Be inspired to find your style. Survey and measure your plot in different categories and pick out your small garden layout ideas. Put your plan to paper and create beautiful boundaries and prepare a planting plan in different positions. So how to do a garden when we make a small garden? Choose your garden type before you so much as break the soil. You should decide what kind of garden you want to grow and what type of garden you want to make. Pick your garden spot, test your soil or land in different measurement or more, and amend your soil and determine a weed strategy and consider your sunlight. So thank you very much guys for watching my video once again. Thank you very much.